Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. So today let's try avoid using our mouse and let's try to do everything using keyboard, starting from creating a file, copying a file, deleting a file. So let's begin with the demonstration part. So currently I am on MacBook, so I'll use shortcut command plus space. So this will launch this search box. I want to launch a terminal. Okay, so I'll zoom it. Okay, so first of all I'll go in some folder, cd downloads. So I've used cd command for changing the directory from Rasik folder from my home directory to downloads folder. Okay, so as you can see I am in download folders now. So this cell will long list the files and directories in download folders. So let's say I want to copy this pem file to my desktop. Let's see how can we do that. So there is a command called as cp testserver.pm. I'm only giving testserver.pm because I am in that directory only. Okay, and you have to give destination as you. So let's say now if you want to move it to desktop, you can use this desktop directory. Okay, now let's go into desktop directory. Now let's list. Okay, so as you can see testserver.pm is here. Okay, so how can I delete that file from the desktop? So there is a command called as rm. Let me clear the screen. Rm and filing. So what was that? Testserver.pm, right? Okay, so let's see. Now let's see what. So that file is been removed. Okay, so this is how we delete a file, we copy a file. If you want to rename a file, so you can do it with mv. Let me create a file first. So how can we create a file? So there is a command called as touch. This will create a 0 byte file. Let's see. As you can see, it has created a 0 byte file. Now let's try to rename this file. mv file, new file. Now let's list. As you can see, you have just renamed the file using mv operation. So in the same way, you can move this file from here to wherever you want. We copied a file from Rasik folder to downloads folder. In the same way, you can just use mv instead of cp. So that will move file from source to destination. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session, and if you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye.